Hello again. So this is a writing video. Writing is going, and I mentioned it in the introductory video. Um, Writing is going to be very similar to class, like exactly the same to class. I even put a little link on there to our the writing strategy we use. The writing process is on there. You're going to continue to do a rough draft, revised draft, and then write a final draft, like you've been doing in class. And again, it's going to be a 5-paragraph paper. You're going to, and this is written down as well, but I thought I should say it too. Start with a personal narrative, and in a, you guys have been averaging about a paper every 2 weeks, every week and a half, roughly. Again, you want to be writing for a half hour a day. If you choose to do more, that is up to you and your parents. But that's what I'm supposed to expect of you. So how you're going to get this to me is you will write your rough draft and then leave it be like you would like in your spiral. If you could grab another writing spiral, if you still have a writing spiral, that would be great. So have your writing spiral, write your rough draft, then get back into your computer like you would at school and type your revised draft, edit it, correct it, use the spell checker. That's the standard for spelling for us. And then you will email it to me like you would at school. The email is in the writing thing, the writing Moodle course thing. Email it to me. I will edit it like I would as we were sitting in class. I will send it back to you. I guess I won't send it back to you. Just get on your Google Doc and you'll see it there. Then just like at school, you will write your final draft. Now you're maybe thinking, I only have your rough draft, which is not even have your revised draft, which is true. So what I'd like you to do is you will take a photo on your phone or on your parents' phone, take a photo of your rough draft, email it to me, take a photo of your final draft, email it to me, and then I will be able to print those out over at the school, the quarantine zone. I'll be able to print those out, and then we should still have the 3 drafts that we'll be able to work with. And then I'll be able to get back to you at the end of the quarter at some point in time. Again, so I know it's been 3 weeks. I think at least 3 weeks. It's time has just drug this last little bit of time, but same process, same there. The writing process, same writing process. Rough draft, revised, edited draft, and then your final copy. I would like to see a pre-write. I don't need to see it. I guess I shouldn't say that, but you do want to get in the habit of pre-writing. So when you actually go to write, you're not frozen and just sitting there. I won't be able to see you if you're just sitting there. So maybe that's good for both of us. But you want to be writing about 30 minutes a day. If you choose to do more, that again, that's between you and your parents. We've been getting roughly a completed paper done, all 3 drafts in about 2 weeks. So that's still what we're going to be expecting. When you're doing your pre-write, just think about, hopefully you have to have been doing something for the last 3 weeks. Find some fun things you've been doing and start off with doing a personal narrative about that. And then you can do an imagine one with it as well. Anyway, hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, again, send me an email. I'll write back to you and try to enjoy your writing. And I'm being serious. At some point in time, you maybe will enjoy writing more than you maybe do at this point in our quarantine life. But it's a skill you want to have. So anywho, that is that. And take care.